Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past question 39. In the diagram below, find tan theta. A 4 over 3, B 3 over 4, C 5 over 3 and D 3 over 5. So we are asked to find tan theta in the diagram below. Now this is the diagram. This is the theta, this angle here, this is theta. And you know that when you have a right angle triangle, there are three sides of the right angle triangle in respect to this angle theta here. We have the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. We have the adjacent. This is the adjacent. Then we have the opposite, that is opposite to the angle. This is the opposite. Now we are asked to find tan theta, and like we know from the mnemonics, so ka so this is tan. So tan theta here is simply given as opposite all over adjacent, that is opposite over adjacent. Now we have that our opposite here is what, 4, and our adjacent is 3. So therefore tan theta is equal to 4 all over 3. 4 over 3, this is the answer. Now from the options, option A says 4 over 3, which is correct. It corresponds to our answer. B says 3 over 4, which is wrong. C says 5 over 3, wrong. And D says 3 over 5, which is wrong. So option A is the correct answer, 4 over 3. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.